Let's talk about the recent research on obesity. How do we measure obesity? A fundamental way is the body mass index, or BMI. The BMI is equal to the weight of a person in kilograms divided by their height in meters squared. So imagine a person weighs 200 pounds and is 5 foot 8 inches. The first step in computing BMI is converting pounds to kilograms and feet and inches into meters. So when we compute the BMI in this example, we get the number 30.41. The World Health Organization uses the following classifications for BMI. In our example, somebody who has a BMI just over 30 would be categorized as having obesity. A BMI above 40 would be considered morbid obesity. Since 1980, the rates of obesity have nearly doubled worldwide. The increasing rates of obesity are concerning because of the known health risks, including heart disease, stroke, colon cancer, as well as cognitive decline. It has now been established that in individuals who are morbidly obese, their lifespan can be reduced as much as 10 years. Many people still believe myths about weight control. For example, there is the myth that weight is under complete voluntary control. You can lose weight if you want to. And that having weight on your body is due only to eating excessive calories. Many people still believe that it's just bad habits that we learn when we are around family members who engage in excessive eating. New research suggests that it is true some people have more trouble losing weight than others, and some of that trouble stems from our genetic makeup. Some people can lose weight easily, other people cannot. The difference would be possibly in the differences in their basal metabolism. Basal metabolism is the energy required to fuel the body, an amount which varies across individuals. Now we know that there are genetic factors in how easily our body sheds pounds or keeps them on. So research with rats have shown specific genes that will lead to obesity. Having the gene for obesity in these rats led to them overeating. Research in the recently new field of epigenetics shows that our genes can be affected by what happens to us after we're born. So our gene expression can influence our behavior. We may be born with a gene for obesity, but it could get modified through epigenetics and lead to us not becoming obese, or leading to some change that could contribute to obesity. So it's not just the genes you're born with that matter. It's the epigenetic changes as well that can matter. Research has shown that the most effective treatment for obesity is calorie restriction combined with regular exercise. Some people have found success with surgical approaches, such as gastric bypass or banding. These have been shown to be effective in reducing weight in the short term, but they're not without their side effects, and sometimes they actually do fail to keep the weight off in the long term. There is a vast literature testing out the medications for weight loss, and generally the results show that medications are ineffective for long-term sustainable weight loss, and they have adverse side effects. That's all for now.